Hi, okay, so we have this 2011 Mini Cooper, which the check engine light from misfire from all cylinders. We know there is a carbon built up issue, and it's actually not just these Mini Coopers, also BMW, Volkswagen, Audi. We've seen it on mostly these direct injection vehicles. So I'm gonna show you an easy way to clean it. You don't have to take the intake manifold out to do the walnut blasting or any of this. I'm gonna show you what we need first. We need to take the spark plugs out. We need an endoscopy camera. We need this product from MotorPower Care, carbon cleaner, and we need an extractor. If you don't have the extractor, there's a way around it. You can just, after we finish, we put this rag on and crank the car so we get all the product and outside. So first we're gonna take the spark plugs out, and I'm gonna show you with the camera what's going on inside the engine. Okay, so this here the piston, and then I'm going to switch the camera to 90 degrees angle. We need to be sure the valve is open as this one, and as well be sure you are facing it to the right valves, to the intake valves. And you can see the carbon here on the, clearly it's on this valves, especially on the seats. You can see how too much. So you see here, when the foam get to this point, then we stop and let it react for 20 minutes. After that, I'm gonna repeat it again 1 or 2 more times. Then I'm gonna move to the other cylinders. I want to be sure first to use the extractor or just put a rag and crank the vehicle to get everything out. Then I'm gonna move to the other cylinder, open the valves on it. I can do it manually or just crank the car a little bit until the valve is open. Again, be sure you are working on the right valves. This is the intake up there, and this is the exhaust. So we have valves for the exhaust and for the intake. So the carbon get built up on the intake valves. So have the camera face that way. Gonna just spray it again now. Be sure it's all the way down. So 1 bottle of this product, it should be enough for 4-cylinder engine, since we are doing it more than 1 time. So now after 2 or 3 times of the foam, we're gonna use the extractor. Or again, if you don't have the extractor, you can just put a rag on top of the area here. I want to show you first. That's the carbon. So you can put the rag and crank the car, just to be sure you do it safely. So after you do first cylinder, put everything back, start the vehicle. It's gonna hesitate a little bit, then it cleans out. This product is not flammable. Do not do all the cylinders and then start the vehicle, because this is gonna take very long time the vehicle to start. I recommend do 1 cylinder, start the vehicle, move to the other cylinder, and then we need it to be a little warm, not hot, just a little bit. Then we're gonna now turn it off and move to the 2nd cylinder, and this is how we're gonna keep doing it the same way until we finish all 4 cylinders. then we're gonna do the induction cleaning. Now we move to the other cylinder here, the second one. Gonna do the same thing, 20 minutes. I'm gonna wait another 20 minutes, fill the foam. Okay, so after I drove the car now, and I pulled the spark plugs again, and this side, the valve is open. So here we can see the cleaner now. It's still a little wet from the side. We have to drive it more. I'm gonna switch the camera to 90 degrees angle, so you can inspect the valve. So this is the valve here, and if you see, the valve is clean now. See more. Okay, I can see the metal from top and from the seat. The seat is clean. Okay, so we cleaned the valves with the MotorPower Care carbon cleaner, the foam. There's other ways also to clean these valves. You can pull the intake manifold and spray it directly there. You have to warm it a little bit, warm it with a heat gun. You can see here, I'm trying to put the light more. So